Hello, not going to keep you long today. Going to cook a pork joint. This is a leg with no bone, a boneless leg. Really, really simple, super and delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so what I've got here is a leg of pork. The bone is out. This is a boneless one, so the cooking time is going to be obviously very different. You can see it's been strung by the butcher here, and they've cut into the skin, which is going to help it as it cooks. I'll just flip it over, you can see it. Let's get rid of that. It's a beauty, it's really nice. Simply, I'm going to just salt and pepper it. If you want, you can put another herb on it or something like that, or rub some, paprika on it or something. But we're just going to go salt and pepper, and then we're going to rub it with some oil. Very, very simple. So we're just going to be really generous, especially on the skin part, with salt. I want to get that really nice and crispy. I've got some pepper here. I've got a kind of coarse ground pepper, and again, just as liberal as you like. Just get it on there. A little bit of oil. I've just got some sunflower oil here. You don't need loads of oil. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to rub that in with my hand, and then I'm going to do the sides and the underneath. So just really simple, salt and pepper, a little bit of oil just to kind of, you don't want too much oil actually, just a little bit of oil to kind of make the salt and pepper stick, and a tiny amount of oil in the tray. Now I'm using a metal tray. If you want, you could use ceramic or glass, but I do think when roasting meats, metal is actually better. Well, this is going to go in my oven for about 2.5 hours at about 180, 185. But right now you're going to see some numbers and that pop up to show you, to help you with whatever size pork you have. It's really simple and really delicious. Simple as can be. I mean, that really is fantastic. Like I say, just what you got to do, bit of seasoning, different herb or something. If you want, pop it in the oven. And yeah, check out all those timings there for the size and everything. But really easy. Now, once it's out, let it sit just for maybe 5 to 10 minutes. It will juice out a little bit, and the oil and the juice in there, don't throw that away. That's lovely if you're going to make a kind of gravy. Of course, you could have some apple sauce with that lovely, beautiful pork. So just slice that, let it rest for a little bit, slice it down. Now, that is beautifully done. I'm telling you, that is lovely. Still beautifully moist, but really, really nicely cooked. Fantastic. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.